Still locked. Okay, so Ib should be able to go through that hallway now. Yes. Okay, cool. I'm gonna just spam the save as much as I can. Ah, there's another mannequin statue thing. Bet we can take them to the lower floor. Oh, so that's what that locked room is. Aspiration. Headless statue. This is in the way. Alright, so I guess that's how he's gonna get up, because he can actually push that. Oh, what was that? There's apples on the tree now. Oh, okay. There's something on the ground. I got the pink ball. Strained ear. Collected works of Huertina. It contains paintings by Huertina in alphabetical order. Ooh, so he has an S page. Serpent Spirit, 6248. Beginning with this piece, Huertina began his focus on abstract art. But at the time, Cubism was more popular, leaving Huertina's various abstract works largely ignored. And let's look at... Oh, no, I didn't want to look at that page. H page. The Hanged Man, 6219. Huertina painted this as a page filler while working for a magazine. Where was the Hanged Man? I saw him somewhere. Oh, I think it was in another room. Once this illustration became renowned, it was sold for a limited time as an actual tarot card using the picture. Presently, it is nearly impossible for one to find the tarot card. And page Mary, the last work of Huertina's life. What? I don't think Mary's a person. I think she's a painting that came to life, and she was Huertina's kid. I think that's what happened, because he has a grandchild. While the girl appears almost lifelike, naturally she is not based on the real person. She looks exactly like Mary. Oh my god, Mary's not real. Mary's not real. Ib's in danger. There's a familiar painting on the other side of this page. Mary? She doesn't exist. What does that mean? And she's with Ib right now. No way. Oh my god. I heard Mary's secret. I heard Mary's secret. 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 Gary, you have to get to her. I picked up something good. I'm making it my treasure. Did you swallow the frickin' paintball? Gimme. And I tore the stomach to get into that. It's not going to like me very much now, is it? It's crying! No! Let's save again. Is that all the paintings now? Oh, need one more paintball. Alrighty then. It's just one room that's been locked. Doors unlocked. Go in. That's not the room I thought I was gonna find. I thought I was gonna find the stairs. That's 7. Let's get out of here! No! No, don't lock me in here! Let me out! I'm sorry, Mary. I didn't mean to upset your toys. Let's have another treasure hunt. Who has the key? What is...
Oh. Yeah, good luck.
What? What now? Oh. This is bad. Where's the key? Oh my god, no! The key! Oh, I got lucky. Oh, I got lucky. Oh my god, we survived! I have had enough of that room. Why did I have to deal with that? But thinking about it, it might be in just as terrifying a situation. We've got to regroup soon. The door's open. Oh, let's switch back to Ib real quick and deal with that key room. Oh, I can't change to her now. Wonderful. Stairs, but I've come this far, but now I'm wondering if I should keep going. But I'm not sure what good going back will do. What to do? Go ahead. I'm so indecisive, I'm terrible, really. Let's just keep moving. There's no other option. Please, let her be safe. Oh, she's just kind of chilling out. Are you okay? Yes, I'm okay. I'm okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Okay? Oh ho ho. Ha ha. Ib. Okay, Mary. I'm okay, Mary. Me. Ha ha. Okay, you just do your thing, Mary. Here's a rainbow on the canvas. Give me that key. That key, mine. Illusion. Do 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 do, and she's gone. Mary? No! Put that knife down! You put that knife down, I swear to God! Where are you going all by yourself? We promised we'd be together. Right? Why are you running? Ib! What are you doing, Mary? Shut up! If you had only just been good and waited there. Mary, I knew it. Stay away. Wah! Take her rose. Take it. Take the rose. Crush it. Aww, they're hugging. But it's okay now. You might not believe me, but Mary, she isn't human. Yeah, I think Ib kinda got that. She's one of Huertana's works, just like those painting women who came after us. I didn't spend enough time with her to really notice. It's dangerous to stay with her, even if I had just been a little later there. You might feel a bit sorry for her, but we need to get away now. Okay, I just absorbed you. I thought he vanished. Mary's rose is on the ground. This rose, it looks real, but it's a fake. Can we take it and, like... No? I mean, if... It could be connected to her, just like it's connected to us. That could solve our problem.
Well, babe.
I'm just looking at the options here. She's a painting anyway. Looks like these stairs go down. Alright, Ib, step back. Macho man. Hard at work. Just how many statues have I pushed today? Oh well, let's go. Now you can use the exercise, Gary. Ooh, this place is pretty. Oh, God. Don't hit me, please. Ooh. Okay, then. Ah! Sketchbook. This way. Well, now, this is a Significant change in atmosphere. But nothing we can't handle. Let's go, Ib. Tulip is in bloom. This tulip is in bloom. This one is not. Why isn't this one bloomed, I wonder? House! I think this is Mary's house. The clock isn't ticking. A portrait of a person. Bookcase. What? These are all storybooks. I don't know how you can read the titles there, Gary, but good job. Oh, now we're in a forest. And a lake with fishies in them. Lots of fishies. So this place is kind of nice. I don't mind this place. Let's go see what's down here. Save. And is there water in this space? Good. Good, good, good. It's locked. There's butterflies. I'm gonna assume they're gonna hurt me. There are instructions. The butterflies are evil. Everything here is evil. I'm just gonna assume that.
Butterflies are nice.
I don't know about these ones though. Read them to there are instructions on the pink building. Read them to open this door. Such a kind message. Message. It wraps around to suspicious. Butterfly Park. What's this sign say? Down to gallery. There's an art gallery. Bulletin board. There's the pink house. The pink key is always kept in the toy box. I guess there's a key there. Let's find it, Ib. Where is this toy box? Where beeth the toy box? Toy box? Toy box! Come out, wherever you are! I'm gonna find you. There's that snake with the red eye. Can't examine it. Where's the toy box? Maybe in Mary's house. I assume it's Mary's house. Clock isn't ticking. There's no toy box in here. Where to look? Where to look? A pond. Feel the water. Stare into the water. Dip rose in. I would not like to dip my rose in. Those fishies could be piranha. Make sure you don't fall while you're spacing out there. I'm not sure where to find the toy box, Veyl. I properly looked over here.